Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this problem, we're given that there is a plate submerged in water and then we're asked to find the force acting on one side of this plate. Let's assume that this water level or the surface is our origin, so that is x equals 0 level. This would be x equals 3 level, and this bottom of this plate will be at x equals 11 feet level. Now we know that force is equal to pressure times area, and pressure is equal to rho times g times depth, then times area, and we can write this one as lambda times d depth times a, where lambda is the specific weight, which is equal to rho times g. So we need to then find lambda, but we already know that for water that is equal to 62.5 pounds per feet cube. Now we then need to find the depth and the area. Now let's take this strip, and we know that that is 2 feet. Let's assume that there is this thin strip that we're interested in with a thickness dx. And let's say that if you were to sum all these 10 strips up along this edge, then we would get the total force acting on that. So the area of this thin strip would be 2 times dx. And if we were to again integrate this area along this edge, we would find the total area. Now the depth, let's say that we are measuring the depth from the surface here. So let's assume that depth is x. Now let's plug everything in. Let's say that force is then, or infinitesimal force acting on this infinitesimal thin strip is then equal to delta, that is 62.5 multiplied by x times 2 dx. Now if we integrate this, or let's first write this one as a Riemann sum, limit as n goes to infinity, we have summation over I from 1 to n. Lambda, what is 62.5 times x of I multiplied by 2 times delta x. And we can actually convert that into an integral and write this one as f force, total force, is equal to integral from 3 to 11. Why 3 to 11? Because this edge starts at 3, and then we have this other edge located at x11 level. So that's why our limits of our integral are from 3 to 11. We have 62.5 x to dx. We can write this one as 2 times 62.5. This is just a constant. We would get x squared over 2, where this changes between 3 and 11. So this force is then equal to 125, that is 2 times 62.5 multiplied by 11 squared over 2 minus 3 squared over 2. We then find the answer as 7,000 pounds.